Game, ready?
Ready!
Number 9. Newly receive or noteworthy information, especially about recent or important event. Di ba news? Apat? Ay, tama nga, downward pala.
Ano sagot mo?
News.
Tama, news.
Yeah. Number 22. Equivalent to the product of 3 and 3, 1 more than 8, or 1 less than 10.
Oh, I know it.
9.
Tama, 9.
Ay, pala yan. Bakit mo mag-game?
17. A structure or place made or chosen by bird or laying eggs and sheltering its young. Nest.
Talit
Tama.
ka.
Tama, Nes.
West. 16. A length of an open mesh materials made of twine, cord, rope, or something similar used typically for catching fish or other animals. Net.
Tama, net.
Uy, bukoy niyo yung pakita. Mabantay yun dito.
1. A strip, ring, or tube, or pasta, or a similar dough typically made with egg and usually eaten with sauce or in soup. Noodles.
Tama, noodles.
Noodles.
Muli.
Cross kasi, di downward.
Oo nga.
Where's 3?
O, ba't parang may nahanap ka agad?
Noodles.
3. Across.
A person trained to care for the sick or
O, baka di mo pa alam yan.
especially in nurse.
Nurse.
Ano bang akala mo, needle?
Number 4.
3. Downward. A long, thin piece of material worn that fits under a shirt collar.
Polar bear.
Wait lang. A long, thin piece of material worn that fits under a shirt collar. Ano ba yung collar? Hindi ito sa leeg? Necklace?
A long, thin pieces of material worn that fits under a shirt collar. Necktie.
Tama. Tama.
Kailangan po niyan.
Necktie.
Across 4.
Taga na, di ba?
Oh. A person in the particular woman employed to look after a child in its own home. Neighbor.
Di ba yung neighbor? Alam ba rin yan? 4. A person in a particular woman employed to look after a child its own home. Nanny.
Tama,
Nanny
nani.
Maxine?
Nani?
Yun.
Nani.
Nani?
Nanny.
Nani?
Nani?
14. Downward. Without clothes. Naked.
Naked?
Oh my. Epo, ikaw na.
13. Go! Not any.
Tama.
Masakaya ka.
Ako na?
Yes, miss.
12. Cross. A very fine slender piece of metal with a point at one end and a hole in eye. For thread at the other used in sewing. Needle.
Tama, needle.
Across. Lower and rise one's head slightly and
Briefly.
briefly, especially in greeting, assent, or understanding, or to give someone a signal. Nod. Magandang pangit yung
Kasama. 12. Downward.
Tama.
A small book with blank or full pages for writing notes in. Notebook.
wow, hindi ko rin ah.
Tama, notebook.
18. Across. A horny covering on the upper surface of the tip of the finger and the toe in the humans and other primates. A horny covering on the upper surface of the tip of the finger. A nail.
Tama, nail.
A nail.
Nail.
2. Downward. A part of fraction that is above the line signifies the number to be divided by the denominator. Ano nga yun?
Ah, alam ko yan.
Numerator.
Tama, numerator.
Numerator.